Good morning, student. This is class 7, and you are studying about temperature, heat, and yesterday in that topic, in that video, I taught you about convection. Application of convection current. Number one, ventilation. When we respire or breathe out, we give out carbon dioxide. You all know when we breathe out, we give out carbon dioxide. This air is warm and in lighter, hence it rises. In lighter air rises upward, and this air moves out from the room through ventilator. You all know when we breathe out, carbon dioxide release, and that carbon dioxide rises upward and goes outside through ventilators. And to take the place of this warm air, cool air, fresh air also comes in through ventilators. Mean cool air through ventilators come inside the room, take place of that hot air, and that hot air which rises after heating, because we breathe out carbon dioxide, and that with carbon dioxide that air goes outside from room through that ventilators. That is known as ventilation. Second, use of chimney in factories. Use of chimneys in factories. The air near the factories, is hot and dense, and this air is removed from through the chimney. That chimney remove that hot air. With this warm air, smoke and also smoke dust particle and smoke also removes, and other various poisons and dust particle also remove with that air. Okay. Third, occurrence of storm. You know the hot air moves upward. When the hot air moves up, when it is heated or absorbed, when air heated or that air absorb heat from the surrounding, their surrounding, when air absorb heat from their surrounding are heated, and that goes upward, then there a vacuum is created. The cooler air rush from the surrounding to occupy that vacuum, and resulting, when that occupies that vacuum, result storms due to convection. Okay, I hope you understand about storm. And next topic, land and sea breeze. What is land breeze? What is sea breeze? A land breeze is created when the land is cooler than the water. When land is cooler than the water, then land breeze is created. Such as in night time, and the surface wind have to be very light that time. Which surface wind become very light? There, when the air is heated, that become light. When this happens, the air over the water slowly begins to rise. As the air begins to rise, the air over the surface of ocean has to be replaced. This is done by drawing the air from the land over the water, thus creating sea breeze. Mean air from land goes in seaside, that is land breeze. And second position, that is sea breeze. You know, a sea breeze is created when the surface of land is heated. When the surface of land is cool, that time land breeze created. And when the surface of land is heated, then sufficiently to start air rising. As air rises upside, it is replaced by the air from the sea. Mean air from sea comes on land and take place of that air which rises and goes upward. So this is known as sea breeze. You can see land breeze and sea breeze and about storm in this picture. Next, ocean current. Try to understand about ocean current. What is ocean current? Say equatorial areas mean what is area? Equatorial areas receives direct sun rays, you all know, while polar areas receives slanting sun rays. Because of this, the water in equatorial region is warmer and less dense than that of polar areas. Hence, the water from equatorial areas region moves toward the polar region, and this is known as warm ocean current. That is known as warm ocean current. The cold water at the inner surface moves from polar region towards equatorial region and is known as the cold ocean current. I hope you understand about warm ocean current and cool or cold ocean current. See, next topic is radiation. Try to understand about radiation. Say the process of transfer of heat from one place to another place without heating the intervening material medium is called radiation. Mean there are no work of medium. It direct transfer from one place to another place. Transfer of heat by the process of radiation take place directly from the source of the receiving body. It does not take place either by conduction or through convection current. For example, the heat from the sun passes through the vacuum, you can see, and in the space where there is nothing to reach the atmosphere and around the earth, then the heat from sun passes through the air in atmosphere to reach the surface of earth. The intervening air, in the atmosphere does not play any role, or that air which is present in atmosphere not play any role, or it not help in transfer of heat from sun to land or from sun to that part of the body where they are getting heat. Mean from source of heat or from heat energy and where that is going. There are no medium which help in transfer of heat. So this process is known as radiation. You know, while you sitting near a heater or bonfire, that time you feel warm. Suppose you are sitting near the bonfire or heater, you feel warm, and the heat from the heater, reaches to you by the process of radiation. By which process heat from the heater reaches to you? By the process of radiation. There no medium work or help in reaching that heat to you. See, the amount of heat reaching by you, amount of heat reaching by you by means of radiation is proportional to the distance between the source of heat and the recipient of heat. From source of heat and recipient of heat, the more the distance, less is the heat received. If distance is less, then more heat received. Okay, the net radiation from a body depend on net radiation from a body depend upon, number 1, its temperature, number 2, surface area, and number 3, nature of body. 3 factor, that is work. If there are some temperature is high, then more heat received. If there are less surface area, more heat received. And nature of body, that are receiving much or less. Okay, it depend on that body. A black body absorb more radiation than a shining body. Black body receive more heat, absorb more heat, energy. And shining body or polished surface like mirror reflects this and heat in the same way as it reflects light. Okay, mean that receive or that absorb less heat energy than that of black body. Okay, this is for today. You will write about radiation in your note copy. Thanks for today.